Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Paul. Charlie, you look very cheerful today. What's going on?
Yes, I'm excited because today's topic is something we all need in real life: how to welcome a guest in English.
Oh, yes, that's very useful. Everyone becomes a host sometimes.
Paul, do you remember the time your cousin visited from another city?
Yes, I was so nervous. I didn't know what to say when he arrived. I just said, "Hi, okay, come."
That is cute, but maybe not very polite.
True. I wished I knew better phrases back then.
Don't worry. Today, we will help our viewers avoid the same problem.
So, Charlie, what is the first thing to say when a guest arrives?
Simple. You can say, "Welcome, I'm so happy you're here." It sounds warm and friendly.
That's nice. And after that?
You can add, "Please come in." This shows respect and hospitality.
And what about offering something?
Good point. You can say, "Would you like some water?" Or, "Can I get you something to drink?"
That sounds very polite, and I think it makes the guest feel comfortable.
Exactly. And if the guest traveled a long way, you can say, "You must be tired. Please relax."
I love that. It shows care, and care is very important in communication.
Yes, good English is not only about words, it's also about kindness.
That's true. When we welcome someone with love, the whole conversation becomes easier.
And when you use polite English, people feel respected. It builds trust.
So remember, a warm welcome can make a strong connection.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Practice these lines and make your guests feel special. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.